Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is a collab hosted by my dear friends Brittany for Brittany's Beautiful Chaos and Angie Perry. In this collaboration, we're all going to be sharing some homemaking motivation, so stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to clean some hot spot areas in my home, and hopefully that will motivate you to clean some hot spot areas as well. In the comments, tell me a hot spot area that you have in your home. One is our dining room table. It's as you walk in the front door, we end up piling things on the dining room table. So before I started, I did want to show you that we do have a package on the dining room table, and it's some cute dresses for the dogs. I have not gotten them dresses in a long time, so I thought I would put them on and see what they're going to look like for the 4th of July. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I just want to say welcome. My name is Jen. My channel name is Live, Laugh, Love with Jen, and I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. I like to do a variety of content. I love homemaking videos, cooking, cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, wellness, that type of thing. So I hope you will consider sticking around. I will also have a collab playlist along with Angie and Brittany's channels linked in my description box below. And as I'm putting on the dresses on the dogs, I also want to remind you guys that a hot spot is actually an area in your home that gets a lot of use, meaning an area that usually when you walk in the door or a place in the kitchen where you end up piling a lot of stuff. So that's what a hot spot is, and I'm going to clean each hot spot in 2 minutes or less. By the way, the dresses say American Cutie, and the dogs loved them. Lily does not like to be on camera, so I know she's not acting like it, but she did like the dress, and Molly loved it as well, as you can tell by her wagging tail. So now that I opened that package, I am going to actually, since everything's off of it, clean the dining room table. And to clean the dining room table, I am going to use my favorite furniture polish, and that is the Method Wood Daily Cleaner. I absolutely love it. And a microfiber cloth.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
Another hot spot in my home are my countertops. It's very easy to do something like get the mail and drop the mail down on the countertops, or leave cups out, or that kind of thing. So I'm going to clean up my countertops. And to clean up my countertops, I'm going to use the Caldrea countertop spray and the sea salt scent, which is one of my favorites, and a microfiber cloth as well.
I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
Another hot spot, a major one, is my desk. I tend to just throw things on the desk and not put them away. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'm going to use the Method wood cleaner to clean my desk up as soon as I get all the stuff put away.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're.
Another hot spot in my home tends to be the end tables and sometimes the coffee table in the living room. People come in to visit, they bring things in. Sometimes we have magazines, those kinds of things, cups, and they tend to pile up in here. Right now it's pretty clean, but I'm going to again use the Method furniture polish, and I'm going to wipe them down so they're nice and clean.
Fearless, steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting.
Those are just a few of the hot spots that I decided to highlight in my home. I'm sure that there are probably plenty more. I know that we all have them, and I try on the daily basis just to go by and make sure that I'm keeping everything picked up off those spots and to keep them nice and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and remember to comment, like, subscribe, and take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.